Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Brave app. You click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. If you find updating this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.